I'm sure you've seen AEDs a bunch of times on TV because they're nearly always featured when a character goes into cardiac arrest. You can use an AED on any non-breathing adult or child over 8 if they're over 55 pounds also. An AED is a portable device that detects an abnormal heart rhythm and delivers an electric shock to jolt the heart into beating normally. Many workplaces and public buildings have AEDs on site. If yours doesn't, emergency medical personnel will bring one in response to your 911 call. It's important to know how to use an AED. It's even more effective than CPR. An AED is easy for anyone to use. All you do is turn it on and follow the voice prompts. Remove any clothing from the chest. If the chest is wet, wipe it. Place a pad on each side of the chest. The right pad should be on the upper side and the left on the lower side, a few inches down from the armpit. If you think the pads might touch, try this alternate placement. Position one pad in the middle of the chest and the other on the back between the shoulder blades. Plug the pad connector cable into the AED if it isn't already connected. Making sure no one's touching the person, say "clear" in a loud, assertive voice. This will enable the AED to analyze the heart rhythm. If the AED determines a shock is needed, you'll do so by saying "clear" in a loud, assertive voice and then pushing the shock button. Again, make sure no one is touching the person. Whether or not you've had to deliver a shock, begin CPR immediately. So now you know all about CPR, both the short, easy way and the more advanced conventional way. Plus, how to use a fancy electrical shock device. But do you know how to save a baby or a young child who's in cardiac arrest? No, you don't. But you will once you complete the next section.